If you're looking for the perfect travel companion for that next road trip, you're going to want to check out our roll hoop storage bag from the team over at EvolutionR. This bag has a bunch of cool little features that make it a no-brainer for any Slingshot owner. The bag is sold individually and uses a nylon strap system that allows you to quickly and easily mount it to either the driver or passenger side factory roll bar. It's compatible with both the original style roll bars as well as the round tubular style bars found on newer models. The center strap uses a G-hook, and each outside strap uses a side release buckle. The bag is constructed from a black water-resistant PU-coated Oxford fabric, finished with a premium carbon fiber marine vinyl design, and each storage pouch is finished off with a nylon interior and sealed off with a water-resistant zipper. The bottom of the bag features an anti-skid rubber coating. The front of the bag has 2 quick access pockets on each side. The middle of the bag features a storage compartment with a variety of different pouches to organize your belongings. The largest storage compartment is at the rear of the bag and is large enough to fit a change of clothes. The entire bag is reinforced with EVA foam for structural integrity and to protect whatever you're carrying inside. The top of the bag has a plush grab handle for extra comfort and easy transport, and includes a padded shoulder strap that clips onto the D-ring on each side of the bag. If you're out on the road and the weather gets nasty, each bag includes a free rain cover. The rain cover goes over both the bag and the roll hoop and has an elastic hem at the base, along with a nylon strap in the center with a quick release buckle to hold it securely in place. This bag is a great solution for those of you that want an easy way to transport your belongings on that next road trip. If this bag seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com to grab 1 or 2 for your sling, and feel free to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.